So it's another year, time for another OnePlus unboxing. I don't expect this to be quite as exciting as last year's, as there was no pop-up store box this time. So this is just the regular OnePlus 9 Pro, just arrived. Now, because I ordered this when it was announced, they've also shipped the OnePlus Warp charger. This is the wireless charger. Nice box, embossed logo. So the phone, come back to that in a moment. Oh, here we go, we do get a case with it. So it's a black case, flexible. I'm in the UK, so UK charger. And the standard OnePlus orange USB-C charging cable. So let's do a quick comparison. I'll take the case off my 8 Pro. So it's pretty much, if you've got an 8 Pro, you can see it's very similar in form factor. Around the back, this one had you can see it's quite a reflective finish. I've gone for the black finish, and you can see the big highlight this year, and the reason I was quite interested in not skipping this one is the camera, because I tend to use my phone quite a lot for the camera. Definitely for videos, I use it quite a lot on my YouTube channel. So OnePlus logo in the middle at the back. So around this side, you've got the power button, which is the same position as the 8 Pro. You've also got the mute and silent toggle, again, same as the 8 Pro. And on this side, you've got the volume rocker. And around the bottom, you've got the SIM card tray and USB-C charger. So we have a nice shiny new phone that needs setting up. So just on first impressions, I'm liking the form factor. It's very similar to what I'm already used to. One thing that I've already spotted, which you can see at the bottom here, is the fingerprint scanner has been moved down a little bit by, what's that, like a centimetre or so? And it there was quite convenient, and that was fine. I'm already finding that a little bit too low. So what I'm going to quickly do now is take these outside. It's a nice sunny day, and we'll just take some shots so we can see how the camera compares to the 8 Pro. They're obviously making a big deal about this Hasselblad partnership. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. I just stood indoors to do a quick test of the video. So this is the 8 Pro's video and audio, and let's just move around, give it some different lighting to deal with. And now let's swap to the 9 Pro's audio. Which one sounds better? Does one sound better than the other? So I really like video on the OnePlus because I found over the years they have great image stabilization, which means I don't need to carry around a gimbal. I can just whip my phone out of my pocket and record some video. But which one is sounding better to you, the 8 Pro or the 9 Pro? The charger now says Warp Charger 65 on it, and it certainly lives up to its name. So it's at about 50%, and you can see it's going to take less than 23 minutes to charge it to full. OnePlus have already pushed out an update for the 9 Pro. I'm going to get this installed and give this a test for a few weeks. If you've got any questions or would like to see anything in particular, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next review.